Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to correctly power on, calibrate, configure, and use your GoldXtra Revealer Plus metal detector. Powering on and startup settings. To turn the Revealer Plus on or off, press and hold the right button for 3 to 4 seconds. Once the detector powers on, set the sensitivity, discrimination, and volume knobs to the middle position. Set the ground balance knob to 0. Important before calibration. Before starting calibration, it's important to know when and where calibration is required. Always calibrate the detector when using it for the first time, after changing, replacing, or reconnecting the search coil, or if the device produces unusual, excessive, or unstable noise. Calibration should be done outdoors, in an open area, away from electrical interference, metal-containing objects, to ensure accurate ground tuning and stable performance. Coil calibration and ground tuning. Place the detector on the ground with the coil at 90-degree angle and parallel to the soil surface. Press the right button until both LED indicators turn red. When both LEDs are red, press and hold both buttons together. Calibration will begin automatically. Calibration takes approximately 10 to 15 seconds. You will hear a starting tone and an ending tone. When calibration is complete, both LEDs will begin blinking blue. While the blue LEDs are blinking, begin sweeping the coil smoothly over the ground. Now, very slowly and carefully, rotate the ground balance knob clockwise, starting from 0. Stop at the point where the detector remains quiet and stable. Once the correct ground tuning is found, press both buttons together to confirm. Ground tuning and coil calibration are now complete. Operating modes. The right button controls all operating modes. Each press switches to the next mode. Mineral mode, indicated by green light, designed for highly mineralized ground. Iron signals are filtered to improve overall stability. Discrimination mode, indicated by blue light. Ferrous and non-ferrous metals produce different tones. This helps reduce unwanted targets and improves identification. Booster mode, indicated by red light, detects all metals with no discrimination. All targets produce the same sound, providing maximum detection depth. Dog mode, indicated by blue light. Dog mode is activated using the left blue button. Dog mode allows the detector to memorize and track a specific metal. To use dog mode, press and hold the left blue button. Sweep the target you want to track. Release the button. The detector will now respond only to that metal. Flashlight function. When the left button LED is green, press and hold the button for 3 to 4 seconds to turn the flashlight on or off. Knob functions and performance control. Sensitivity knob controls detection depth and response to weak signals. Turn clockwise for deeper detection. Turn anti-clockwise to reduce false signals. Discrimination knob filters metals. Turning clockwise increases filtering. Turning anti-clockwise allows more targets. Ground balance knob adjusts the detector for ground mineralization. Turn clockwise for highly mineralized soil and anti-clockwise in low mineralized soil. Volume knob adjusts the audio output level. Important note, settings button, all adjustments to sensitivity, ground balance, discrimination, and volume will take effect only when the settings button is held for 2 to 3 seconds after making the changes. If the settings button is not held, the knob adjustments will not be applied. The GoldXtra Revealer Plus is built for explorers who demand control, clarity, and performance. You don't just search, you reveal.